All right, now let's grade some essays from Google Classroom. We're at the home screen, select Google Classroom. Since my account's already linked, then I'm going to hit the class name, which is period 1. I'm going to select my assignment, essay 1. And if you notice, the essays have already populated. We're going to hit continue grading setup. Now, in this case, I want to show you how to create a rubric. So we're going to click here. We're going to click create new rubric. And then we can build from scratch, build from AI, build from existing template. These are all very intuitive, but in this case, we want to simply upload or import. So we want to upload from Google Drive. Again, you can select any of these other platforms. And then we're going to select the essay rubric sample. We're going to select it. We're going to look at, make sure it's the right file, hit continue. I want it to be high school, normal, and US English, and I'm going to hit continue. And if you notice here, the AI is creating your rubric. It doesn't usually take this long, maybe 25, 30 seconds. But once your essay is finished, your rubric is finished being uploaded, you can edit it. You can edit the type. And it gives you all this flexibility to be able to customize and create your rubric in a way that would be beneficial for you and your classroom. It's something that's really remarkable. The team at EssayGrader has worked very, very hard to making sure that as you look at your class and what your students' needs are, you will be able to customize your rubrics in any way that you choose. It's already populated here. We can look and scroll down and see all of these different categories. We can make changes to any of them that we want to. We can preview it if we would like. We can go here and hit preview, and that gives us a better understanding of what it looks like and the different criteria that we have. Let's say that we love it. It looks great. We're going to hit save changes. Boom, we created it. I love that little splash of confetti. So we want to go ahead and select the rubric that we created. We still want it to be a high school, detailed, feedback, normal intensity, and let's just start grading. You notice here it says students' assignments were imported successfully and are queued for grading. Now, I want to bring your attention while it's being graded over here. You see this grading status bar? I want to bring your attention over here to the left-hand side. Now, you notice when we did the manual upload, it created the folders for us. When we did the grading from Google Classroom, it did the same. It automatically created the folders for us and organized it for us based on what is in our Google Classroom. And that's something, again, that EssayGrader 4.0 has brought to you. It's more user-friendly. It's more teacher-friendly. It's more friendly for us. And it allows us to organize our essays in ways that previously we weren't able to do. Now, if you get here, you can, on this menu on the left-hand side, you can also have a new assignment. We can rename it. We can delete it. We can change it however we want. Let's just say that on our manual upload, we want to change from sample class to English 4. We want to hit save. If you notice that it appears English 4 now saved. All right, now that our essays have been graded by EssayGrader, we want to do the same thing. We want to go and hit review. We want to click on the essay. It shows us the feedback report, the grammar report, the AI detection, the comments. We can click on any of these and it brings us directly to the suggested input. We can go to grammar report and select the grammar report of what it is telling us that and give us suggestions for. But here's something I want you to look at here is AI detection. This AI is a very important thing within our society, and we know that in classrooms, students use these things and maybe not always in the best ways. And so we want to make sure that our students are giving us authentic, real essays and not just things they have copied and pasted. And so EssayGrader's AI detection allows you to have some confidence in if they've written it by themselves or written by AI. So if you look here, our AI detector is low confident that the text is written by AI, no AI detected, and then it gives you the pro tip, 0% chance, 0 sentences were likely written by AI. And this allows you to look at and view how these students are working. So now that I've read this one, I've marked it as reviewed. I've looked at this, Love is essay. Again, we look at knows very little chance that it's written by AI. And then we're going to go to the other selection. We're going to look at the AI detection. Again, there's a 7.8% chance. Now that's a very, very low percent chance. And we're going to hit marked as reviewed. And the last thing that I want us to do is go back to our essays here. And we're going to select these essays. We're going to export them, and we can do it in a very variety of ways. A CSV as one single PDF file individuals, or Google Classroom. So when I hit Google Classroom and then I hit export, what that's going to do is send all the error reports, everything that you need back to the students. And then they can scroll down and look at the suggested grammar changes or essay changes they have, and they can rework their essay. And that is simply stated EssayGrader 4.0. We are excited about this product. We thank you so much for your interest in it, and it will make your life easier and better as teachers and help you to grade essays very efficiently. Thank you for your time.